Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about how to create clone apps or dual apps in your Redmi Note 14 5G. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First, let's open the settings. Then you have to open your apps. Here it is. Then click on dual apps. You have to create it from here. Now I have click on this files by Google. So let's click on turn on and it is creating new dual app and it is created successfully. Now press back and you can see there are two files by Google is showing. Here it is the file one and here it is the second one. You can run your second account on it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.